Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad issues in REANIMAL. All right, let's begin. If your controller isn't working in REANIMAL on PC or Steam, the issue is often how Steam communicates with the game. To fix this, right-click REANIMAL in your Steam library and select Properties. Navigate to the Controller tab on the left. Under the Override for REANIMAL section, change the setting to Enable Steam Input and restart your game. This forces Steam to translate your controller signal into a format the game understands. REANIMAL is also very sensitive to other USB devices. If you have a flight stick, racing wheel, or specialized keypad plugged in, the game might mistake it for your main controller. Unplug every peripheral except your mouse, keyboard, and the controller you intend to use. Then relaunch the game. If the standard launch fails, try using Steam's Big Picture mode. Click the icon at the top right of Steam to enter the console-like interface. Navigate to REANIMAL and hit play. This often resolves issues with dead gamepads. Finally, ensure your PS5, DualSense, or Xbox controller firmware is up to date using the official PlayStation or Xbox accessories apps from the Microsoft Store. So that's basically how you can fix controller or gamepad issues in REANIMAL. That's it for this video. Thanks.